Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 8.4. In this exercise we will do simply addition and subtraction. So first see A part. Question number 1, 280 meter 15 centimeter, 412 meter 37 centimeter and 608 meter 93 centimeter. So see, each term is separated by comma or and, right? And what you will take care, you will write the numbers of meter under this meter and for centimeter under centimeter. That's it, nothing else. Otherwise simple addition is there. So 280 meter 15 centimeter we will write like this, 280 meter and centimeter under 15. 412 meter, so 412 meter and 37 centimeter. 608 meter and 93 centimeter. So now do simple addition. 5 plus 7, 12 plus 3, 15, 1 carry. 1 plus 1 plus 3, 5 plus 9, 14, 1 carry. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 8, 11, 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 here, 1 here. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 6, 13. So answer is 1301 meter 45 centimeter. So I guess this is very simple. You have done in 3rd grade also, 4th grade also. Question number 5. 607 kilogram, 200 grams, 800 grams. See, here kilograms are missing. And with this comma, every term is separated. So 607 kilogram, 200 gram, comma 800 gram. It means kg is not there in this term, only 800 gram, and 10 kilogram, 250 gram. So this 800 gram we will write down in grams column, and in kilogram it will be 0. So 607 kilogram, 200 gram, in kg 0 because only 800 grams are given. 10 grams, 250, 10 kilograms, 250 grams. So now do simple addition. 0, all 0, so 0 here. 5, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8, 1 and 6. So this is simple addition only, just we have to be careful. See, if this is 10 kg, so we will start from ones place in kg column. Okay, so we cannot start from here, it will be wrong. Or you can put 0 also to avoid confusion. So next is 7th, 260 grams, 343 milligrams, 216 grams, 518 milligrams and 73 grams and 55 milligrams. So start from here. 267 gram, 343 milligram, 216 gram, 518 milligram, 73 grams. So we will start writing from here. 73 grams, we can put 0 also. 55 milligram and we can put 0 also here. So now simple addition. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 5, 16, 6 here, 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 here, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5, 9. So now see here, 6 plus 7, 13 plus 3, 16, 1 here, carry. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 7, 15, 1 carry. So 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. So answer is 556 grams and 916 milligrams. Next B part. B part is subtract. Subtraction. The synonym word for the subtraction is difference also. Sometimes the question comes like this, find the difference. So subtraction and find the difference means the same. So question number 1, 218 meter 50 centimeter from 515 meter 56 centimeter. See, from means we will write this term up and this down, and moreover we always write down the bigger number up. So we will write down 515 meter 56 centimeter and down 218 meter 50 centimeter. So now do subtraction from, start from right hand side. 6 minus 0, 6, 5 minus 5, 0. This will become 15 because this is smaller than 8. So 15 minus 8, 7. This will become 10. 10 minus 1, 9. This will become 4. 4 minus 2, 2. So answer is 297 meter 6 centimeter. Next is 16 kg 240 grams from 30 kg 300 grams. So again, this is from this number. Subtract this number from this number. So this will be up. And moreover, 30 kg is bigger. So 30 kg 300 grams, then 16 kg 250 grams down. 0 minus 0, 0. This will become 10 because this is 0. 4 cannot be subtracted from 0. So 1 we will borrow from this digit. So 10 minus 4, 6. This will become 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Now this 0 will become 10. We will borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 6, 4, and 2 minus 1, 1. So answer is 14 kg 60 grams. Next, fifth, 83 liters 255 milliliters from 182 liters 800 milliliter. Again I am repeating from this number. Subtract from this number. So this will be up. 182 liters 800 milliliters. So 83 liters 255 liter will be down. So this will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 2, 5. This will become 12. 12 minus 3, 9. This we borrowed 1 from here. So it will become 17 minus 8, 9. And this 1 will become 0. So answer is 99 liters 545 milliliters. So now exercise 8.5. In this exercise, all the questions are statement sums. So first question, I am reading the statement. To reach an island, John travelled 6.5 km by a ship and 4 km 275 meter by a boat. What is the total distance he has travelled? See, before explaining this statement, I want to tell you like whatsoever we are doing, addition, subtraction, multiplication, addition, units must be the same. Whatsoever operation we are doing, units must be the same. So first check this thing only. See here 6.5 kilometer and here 4 kilometer 275 meter. So same way we will write either this or we will convert 4.275 kilometer. So I am writing this bigger to smaller unit. I am converting 6.5 kilometer means 6 kilometer 500 meter. So one example I want to give you. To reach the school, I traveled 5 kilometer by bus and 2 kilometer by car. So how much far the school is? 7 kilometer? Yes. So what we did? Addition. Same way. So distance traveled by a ship, this much, 6 kilometer 500 meter. This we have to write down first. 6.5 kilometer is equal to 6 kilometer 500 meter. So distance traveled by a ship is 6 kilometer 500 meter. Distance traveled by a boat, it is given 4 kilometer 275 meter. So total distance covered is, we will simply add it. They are asking for total distance. So 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 7, 7, 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 4, 10. So 10 kilometer 775 meter. Second question. Mohit's pencil is 10.5 centimeter long, whereas Rohit's pencil is 121 meter long. Whose pencil is longer and by how much? First, I will repeat this thing that you have to read the statement at least 2-3 times, right? And again, we will see whether the units written are in the same manner or not. See here 10.5 centimeter and here 121 millimeter. So we will convert this 10.5 centimeter into millimeter. And you just recall the table. King Harry died after drinking choco milk. It means centimeter then millimeter. So it means we will go one step down to convert centimeter to millimeter. Length of Mohit's pencil is equal to 10.5 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 10.5 we will multiply by 10. As decimal 1, after decimal 1 digit is there, so this will shift here because we are multiplying by 1 0. So it will be 105 millimeter. So this I have written scale down also. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So now come to solution, real solution. Length of Rohit's pencil. So whose pencil is longer? I hope you have guessed it. So Rohit, of course, because it is 121, it is 105. So length of Rohit's pencil is equal to 100 21 millimeter and the length of Mohit's pencil is 105 millimeter. So whose pencil is longer? Rohit's pencil. To know how much, we will subtract it. So this will become 11. 11 minus 5, 6. 1 minus 0, 1, and 1 minus 1, 0. So Rohit's pencil is longer by 16 millimeter. So to be more clear, I want to give you one example. See, suppose my pencil is 4 centimeter long and yours pencil is suppose 1 centimeter long. So whose pencil is longer? Of course mine. How much? So how we will come to know? By subtraction. So 4 minus 1, 3. So mine pencil is longer by 3 centimeter. So same way this answer is. So I hope you are clear with it. So exercise 8.4 and 8.5, these two questions only we are doing now, and rest of the 8 questions we will do in the next video, in next class. So do this in Fair Notebook plus revise the table of 16, 17 and 18. Thank you.